Hello, my name is HUSSEINAT BALOGUN and I'm a final year mechanical engineering student from the Federal University of Technology Accra in Nigeria. I'm going to talk about CubeSats as a tool for education and hands-on training in African tertiary institutions. The development of spacefaring nations within Africa is dawdling, and with the initiation and construction of the African Space Agency, it's hoped that a more centralized and autonomous infrastructure can be developed to help each nation gain prominence in the field, regardless of immediate political happenings within each country. The number of CUBE satellites built by university students has more than quadrupled in the last 5 years and shows the effectiveness of this method in educating young engineers on the real-world applications of what they're learning. As you can see in this graph, the number of university-owned CubeSats went from around 25 in 2011 to over 300 in just 2020. The proposed scheme will be implemented in 4 phases as shown here. I will start with the needs assessment, then curriculum development, training program, and then finally evaluation. Each participating institution will have a technology transfer office responsible for the planning, implementation, maintenance, and improvement of the program. It has these are just a few of the functions of the transfer office. The actual training will be tailored to the needs of each institution, with the modules and practical components selected based on the institution's specific focus areas. The CubeSats will be designed and built by the students as part of the practical component of the training program under the guidance of experienced instructors and mentors. This is the model overview over here, and this is the practical session that I'm talking about. This program intends to incorporate franchise agreements, employment of experts, machinery supplies, technical publications, and industrial affiliate programs as some of the main technology transfer methods. A comprehensive budget will need to be developed to account for the expenses and starting and maintaining the program. One potential challenge is the availability of resources and funding to sustain the program over time. Possible funding sources for the program include government funding, private sector investments, and grants from international organizations interested in supporting capacity building initiatives in the African space industry. Another potential challenge is the level of technical expertise and knowledge of the participants. It may be necessary to design the program to cater to participants with varying levels of technical expertise, such as by offering introductory and advanced courses. The training program aims to provide participants with a practical understanding from the design and construction of the CubeSats to the implementation and operation of CubeSat missions. The experience will be invaluable in preparing participants for careers in the space industry, both in Africa and internationally. The training program will contribute to the development of a skilled workforce, promote collaboration between participating institutions, enhance regional cooperation, and encourage the private sector's development, hopefully resulting in the creation of new startups that will contribute to the growth of the African space industry. Thank you for listening. If you have any questions or observations, I've provided my contacts within this poster and also to the wonderful organizers of this event. Please don't hesitate to reach out to me.